I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add another Facebook account or how you guys can add multiple Facebook accounts on a single device. Alright, so this is my phone over here and I've already added multiple Facebook accounts over here. Now to check that out, what I can do is just click on logout, and as you guys can see, I have entered multiple accounts, and if I want to log in into either one of it, I can just click on the profile picture and I'm going to be automatically logged in into my account. And if you guys also want to do this, then you guys can watch this video, because by the end of this video, you guys will know how you guys can do these activities as well. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Another Facebook account, you need to come to menu over here, scroll a bit down, click on logout. You will be logged out from Facebook. Now to add another account, you need to click on versus log into another account. Click on it and you can add your another account. After you enter the phone number, password, login into your account, your other account will be added over here as well. Alright, now once you're into one of your account, let's say you want to switch into another account. If you want to switch from this account to another, so let's say I'm into my 𝐘𝐨𝐿 account and I want to switch into my 𝐘𝐸 account, what I can do is come on menu, click on logout. After you have added your account over here, it's going to be shown over here. So I'm just going to go on this 𝐘𝐸 account, I click on it and I'm logged in. So yeah, that's how you guys can add another account in Facebook and switch between these accounts. Right, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can do that.